When it's time to refresh your guests, place frozen watermelon chunks, lemonade, and rum in a blender, and blend on high speed until well combined. Making slushies for your whole family? For a non-alcoholic kid-friendly version, just leave out the rum. Need an intensely refreshing drink that takes just minutes from kitchen to sipping? Get out of the sun, get in your kitchen, and make these watermelon rum lemonade slushies. Add crushed ice and continue blending until you get that slushy consistency. Immediately pour the mixture into glasses. Don't just stick a straw in your slushie. Turn this quick summer treat into a resort-worthy drink. Add 2 fresh mint sprigs to the top of each slushie, then slip a lemon wheel on the side of each glass and serve.